this is, if I can get him to slow down a little bit, this is Wolfie. He is our available silver Bengal. He's got an awesome face, if we can slow down to see it. Can we see your face, Wolfie? Hey. Psst, psst, psst. Hey, you. Look up here. He's got amazing rosettes. And I was actually going to keep him for my breeding program, but I've decided he's too related to all my girls, which is really unfortunate. He has a little bit of tarnish in his rosettes right now, which may or may not go away. It did go away with his dad. His dad was the same color when he was little. His dad is Rascal, who you can see on my website. And that's about it. If you have any questions, just feel free to write and ask. And he does love to play. He gets along really well with kids, other animals, if he's not bugging them. And he's available and ready to leave in January.